Whenever we're done with a practice session, it's good to let things settle. It's good to let things sink in. It's good to reintegrate yourself into daily life instead of just rushing on. So we slowly come out of our practice. One of the best ways of doing this is with self-applied massage. This version of self-applied massage is tracing meridians, tracing the acupuncture meridians or the acupuncture channels that contains the rivers of energy that run through the body in traditional Chinese medicine paradigm. These meridians are yin and yang, just like Tai Chi. So the yin ones are inside, and it's the side that doesn't get the sunlight. The outside and the outer. So we have 3 yin hand meridians, 3 yang hand meridians, and we have 3 outside yang leg meridians, and 3 inside and on the front yin meridians. So we trace those like I just did in a similar manner. In our footwork that we're going to use is going to help you in a future Tai Chi exercise. So I'm going to show you some footwork too. As we point to the left, we're going to shift our weight to the right, point out the toe, point out the hand, and then we trace under, over, turn the head, turn the toe to the front, and then we can shift our weight to the left, point to the right, the foot and the hand, trace under, around the fingertips, and over, and turn the head. So that is side to side for tracing the hand meridians. For tracing the leg meridians, it also ends up around the eyes and in the face. So we come up and we can hover, or we can give ourselves a nice little massage as we go to. So we can trace with contact or just hover. And we reach up as high as we can. And we go down the outside and back part of the body and the legs, around the toes, and we come up along the inside and front of the body. So follow along with me as we trace meridians. First, we are going to just hover, and I'm going to give you instructions. And then I'm going to take off my microphones, and we are going to do it physically. I'm going to show you physically how to do it, okay, with touch. It's the same tracing movement, it's just whether or not you're touching the body. So rubbing our hands together to warm up our hands, dry washing the face, fingertips near the scalp, or just hovering over as high as we can reach, under as high up as we can reach, tracing down the legs, around the toes, and up. Then we shift our weight and turn underneath the arm, around the fingertips, over the arm, shifting our weight, turning the toe, starting from the heart, coming under, past the fingers, around, over, turning the head, pointing, tracing, turning, pointing, tracing, turning, breathing in, breathing out, Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, trace under. Exhale, trace over. Turn as you pause. Breathing in, breathing out. Pause and turn. Now silently, from a few different angles, as we go for touch, self-applied, self-massage. Thank you for joining me in Tracing Meridians.